Traders, welcome to your Thanksgiving video. I love having you all in my life. I'm in Vail, Colorado, and I'm so thankful to be a part of this community because each and every one of you help me enrich lives and impact people from all over the world, of all ages and of all backgrounds. So thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving. Love you all and enjoy this time with your friends and family.
What's up, real life trading community? This is Jason. Just wanted to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. This is the reason I'm blessed. We're having a family photo shoot here out on the farm, and just hope you guys have a good rest of your year and happy trading.
Hey, real life traders, wishing you a very happy, healthy, and safe Thanksgiving from the Kings.
And remember to buy the salsa.
What's up, real life traders? It's Robert here. Just wanted to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving and enjoy the holiday season with your friends, family, and loved ones. Talk to you later.
Hey, friends and family, folks from all around the world, thank you for being a part of the real life trading community. You guys are absolutely amazing. I do need to give a huge thank you to all the staff in the back, behind the scenes at Real Life Trading, and a massive thank you to Jerremy and Matt DeLong for all that they do. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have a phenomenal day, and I'll see you soon.
Hey guys, David here from Real Life Trading. I want to wish all of you a happy Thanksgiving this year. This year I'm thankful for health and family. With the pandemic in 2020, without it, it would not have been very possible. So thank you for that. I'm also very thankful for all of you RLT members. Without you, none of this would be possible. So enjoy your Thanksgiving and let's make lots of ours together.
All right, team. DJ Dan here with Real Life Trading. I just want to take this opportunity to let you guys know what I'm thankful for this season. And not just one day a year, absolutely 365 days a year. Completely, obviously thankful for family, friends, even if I've known you guys before 2020. All of you guys, all of you traders in the community that hang out with me every single day, that are in the rooms, that reach out to me in Slack, that I talk with. Even if we haven't had a conversation, completely grateful for all of you guys helping to enrich lives, my own as well. And then obviously could not be more excited, more thrilled to work with the incredible group of moderators. To Jeremy, to Matt DeLong for having me on board with you guys, taking me on this journey with you guys. Absolutely fantastic group. I've learned a lot. Hopefully, you know, we've all made some R's together, and we look for a very prosperous 2021. And I'll be thinking of all you guys around the dinner table. I mean, a lot of family can't even come anymore because of coronavirus, but you guys, family, friends, traders, the team, everybody's in my thoughts around the Thanksgiving table this year. So I want to wish all you guys a very special, very happy Thanksgiving. I look forward to trading you with all of you guys throughout the rest of the holiday season and for 2021. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Hey, Real Life Trading family, this is Thomas Wong, and I just want to say happy Thanksgiving and that I'm so blessed to be on this journey with everyone.
Hey team, from all of us here at Real Life Trading, we want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey team, happy Thanksgiving.
To my RLT family, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy RLT Thanksgiving from Canada.
Happy Thanksgiving.